Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. The inspiring journey of Sundar Pichai from a small home in India to CEO of Google. Welcome to another powerful and motivational English learning story. Today we will explore the inspiring life journey of Sundar Pichai, one of the most respected technology leaders in the world. This story will help you improve your English listening skills, vocabulary, pronunciation, and most importantly, your motivation. Let's begin. Humble beginnings. Sundar Pichai was born on June 10, 1972, in Chennai, a city in southern India. His full name is Pichai Sundar Aranjan. He grew up in a very modest family. His father worked as an electrical engineer, and his mother was a stenographer before becoming a full-time homemaker. Sundar's family lived in a small two-room apartment. There was no luxury, no computer, and no car. In fact, the family did not even have a telephone. When they finally got a telephone, it was placed in the living room, and neighbors often came to use it. Young Sundar had an amazing memory. He could remember every phone number after hearing it just once. This was one of the first signs of his exceptional intelligence. Love for learning. Sundar was a curious and hardworking student. He loved science, mathematics, and problem solving. His teachers noticed that he was different, not because he spoke a lot, but because he thought deeply. Despite limited resources, Sundar never complained. He focused on learning, not on what he didn't have. After finishing school, he earned admission to the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, one of the most prestigious engineering colleges in India. This was a life-changing moment. At IIT, Sundar studied metallurgical engineering. He worked very hard and graduated with top grades. His professors were so impressed that they encouraged him to study abroad. A brave step to America. Moving to the United States was not easy. Sundar received a scholarship to study at Stanford University, but his family had to spend a large part of their savings just to buy his plane ticket. For his family, this was a huge risk, but they believed in him. At Stanford, Sundar studied materials science and engineering. Later, he earned an MBA from the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, where he was recognized as one of the top students. Early career struggles. Before joining Google, Sundar worked at Applied Materials and McKinsey and Company. These jobs taught him important skills: how businesses work, how to solve complex problems, how to lead teams. But his biggest opportunity was still waiting. Joining Google. In 2004, Sundar Pichai joined Google as the product manager. At that time, Google was already successful, but Sundar saw new possibilities. One of his first major projects was Google Chrome. Many people inside the company were unsure about creating a new web browser. The competition was strong, but Sundar believed that the internet needed to be faster, simpler, more user-friendly. In 2008, Google Chrome was launched. Today, Google Chrome is the most powerful web browser in the world. This success changed Sundar's career forever. Rising through leadership. After Chrome's success, Sundar took charge of Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, and Android. He was known for his calm leadership style. He listened carefully, respected different opinions, and encouraged teamwork. Unlike aggressive leaders, Sundar believed in kindness and collaboration. In 2015, Sundar Pichai became the CEO of Google. Later in 2019, he was appointed CEO of Alphabet. Google's parent company. This made him one of the most powerful leaders in the technology world. Leadership philosophy. Sundar Pichai believes that technology should help everyone. Innovation must be responsible. Leaders should stay humble. Despite his success, he remains simple and grounded. He often says that his childhood struggles taught him the value of opportunity. Global impact. Under Sundar's leadership, Google has focused on artificial intelligence, digital education, sustainability, privacy, and security. Final message from a small home in India to the CEO office of Google. Sundar Pichai's story proves that dreams are possible, no matter where you come from. If you stay focused, keep learning, and believe in yourself, your story can also inspire the world. Subscribe for more English stories and speaking practice. See you in the next lesson.